Back to another tutorial. Welcome back to another tutorial. This is a high taper, and I got the lineup this time. The camera was on. This was recorded like a week ago. So yeah, I just have these piled up and stocked up. I'm trying to get more clients so I can have more tutorials on different heads and stuff like that. With this tutorial, I kind of what's it called? I kind of overdid it on the walking in front of the camera too much, but this is a high taper. Bare clippers. You couldn't see the guideline because I walked in front of the camera just like I'm about to do right now. Oh, I didn't do it this time. Bare clippers halfway open or full open this time because it's a high taper. I treat twists and locks different when I'm cutting, so you about to see how I do it different. I pull all the hair back, and before I did this though, I brushed all the hair to divide it. Like I basically part the hair out, the one that's not twisted and the one that's twisted, and I cut the rest. So I do the hairstylist job for them, and then I take it down. Taking it down with the one guard. It's gonna be a quick tutorial because this client is like very easy to cut, and the haircut is very short. The video is very short too. It's only one clip, one take, and I use the one guard open full. When I use the one guard open full, I walked in front of the camera a little bit, so you really can't see me getting every angle, just like right here. And it just fried me. It just fried me. So I had to speed it up. Went to the other side. And now that I made the guidelines, this is zero close. Zero close. I slowed it down that time because I slowly crept up and moved in front of the camera again. And this whole time, I'm just being in front of the camera. And you're not even seeing me cutting. This is the worst tutorial in the world. But I did that and then, I'm still in front of the camera. But then I slowed it down because this is the only part that I didn't get in front of the camera for. This is the one guard close. And then the bare clippers, close to open to push up on the fade and stuff like that, just so we can like make it actually blend. And take the hair out on the sides and stuff like that. I'm not big on terminology for you guys. If you guys want to read the book, you can. And on to the hairline. Very soft hairline. There's no need to really do too much here. I took off the weak hairs. I told you I don't do enhancements and I don't do pushbacks because I hate that stuff. So I just took it to the baby hairs in the front because he does have a very weak hairline as you see it. Corners as they should be. You don't see no pores really after I do the hairline. That's because I don't take the hair that grows fresh out the pores off. Come back with the razor. I got golden razors. I love golden stuff. Even my scissors are golden. I got a band-aid on my finger and my hand is kind of ashy because my hands are dry and I cut myself. So don't mind me. And that's the haircut. I did the razor. High taper, both sides. You don't want me to touch the beard like that because he's trying to grow it in and trying to do what he has to do to grow it in and stuff like that. I don't think it's ever going to happen, but that's how it is. And he likes the haircut himself too because, he's looking at the camera. He even looked himself. He's crazy. Don't get nose piercings and don't get earrings, guys. And that's the cut. If you like more and you want to see more twist haircuts and lock haircuts, please subscribe and like videos and send a request in, and I'll find a client for you.